Let's get our area all cleaned up because we are going to bread the roast after we cut up the rest of this onion. I'm just going to cut off the bottom of it, toss that away, and probably regrow that. I just make a slit in my onion like that, then peel off the outer part. And I'm going to cut this like maybe, let's see, I'll cut it in fours, and it's going to go in my slow cooker. Next, I want to add some garlic. So I'm just going to take it, smash some garlic, that, take off the outer part of it, and it's going to go in my slow cooker too. Alright, put that in my slow cooker. Alright, now to season my roast. Always clean as you go. I hate cleaning up afterwards. I just much rather clean as I go. Alright, first a sip of coffee. Alright. Now, I've already washed and patted dry my roast. Now I'm going to make the breading for it. Got my seasonings here. Pretty handy way to keep my seasonings. What if I need to take them anywhere with me? They're right there ready to go. And I've already got my fresh herbs in there, like basil, oregano, thyme, not thyme, I'm sorry, parsley. So I'm going to make a little breading for it with flour, using all-purpose flour and seasonings. I have my all-purpose flour. I think that's probably enough to pat down that roast. And now I'm just going to go crazy with my seasonings. Alright. I'm going to add onion powder. Garlic powder. I like to have celery salt. Love celery salt on my meats. That. Use a little rosemary. A little sage. A little rub sage. Alright. Get parsley in there. What else do I want to use? Black pepper. Don't go too crazy with that. And my salt. A little salt. A little more salt. Alright, what else I want? Oh, a little bit of turmeric. Not that much. A little bit of thyme. We all need a little thyme in our life. A little paprika. And let's see, I want some little spice in there, so I think, oh, where are you at? Alright. I think I'm going to go with red cayenne pepper, actually. Where are you at? No, I'm going to do some soul food. Give it a little kick. Soul food. Okay. Oops. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this up real well. I'm gonna smell. I think I want to add some more onion powder, garlic powder, and that. Another smell. Oh yeah. All right, now to bread. Everything out of the way. And we're gonna bread our roast. And you just, very simple, you just take the flour all over. Better start. Turn my cast iron skillet on. And you want to make sure you get all of the sides. Squeeze it in there. Oops. There we go. Perfect. And I'm pushing it in as I go. Sure, get flour all over it. And then I'm going to take it to my cast iron skillet and I'm going to brown it on all sides. Put it in my slow cooker and then just let it cook until it's nice and tender. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's there. Make sure you get it all in there as good as you can. That's going to help make a good gravy too at the end, if that's what you choose to do. You can make this into a barbecue if you like. I'm not sure yet what I want to do with it. Probably make it into a bunch of different dinners, I know that. Alright, I'm just going to brown this on all sides in my cast iron skillet and be back.